Hello, editing me here. Before we continue with the video, let's go ahead and forgive the fact that I look like I just participated in a 7-person I had just come from work, I was very tired. It is what it is, there's not much I can do about it at this point. I've already filmed. But let's just excuse that. We'll fix it for next time. What is up, guys, gals, and non-binary pals? My name is Alec, or Aubrey, or whatever the you want to call me. And welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a drag queen from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I also go by Aubrey Del Mar, so sometimes I look like this, and sometimes I look like this. This is my YouTube channel. Well, I'll be doing makeup looks, stuff, other stuff, more fun stuff. I don't know yet. I'm still trying to figure it all out. So, bear with me. I'll probably start out with some like really cool makeup looks, start out, and then go from there and see where we end up. If you guys are still subscribed to me from like 4 years ago, why? Girl, they aren't. The f***. I did have a channel. I did makeup tutorials like 4 years ago when I was like 18 or 19. But yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna start posting more regularly. I'm gonna start out with a makeup tutorial, and I'm really excited to be back. So please stay tuned. I don't know what my upload schedule is gonna be as of yet. Is that how you say it? As of yet? You guys should stick around. You guys should subscribe to my channel. Turn the post notifications on. Check out all my social media. I will link them down below. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what else to say, but I'll see you guys in a couple days, probably with my first video. So, bye, divas.